So I always get questions about exhaust setup and shit like that. Actually, one guy asked, but I was always curious about what different things would sound like before I bought them. So I was like, okay, well, I'm going to buy the 5-inch tips and see if they make a difference. They did. So I'm running a magnaflow 12288 with Moes Performance 5-inch tips. Really happy with the sound. It's not too loud. Sorry, my truck's a mess. You can see, I got a car seat back there and stuff. So I didn't want something too loud, but I wanted something that sounded good. And I think this sounds good. So I'm going to try laying my phone in the bed of the truck. Super ghetto. I don't have a freaking GoPro or anything like that because I'd rather spend my money on truck parts. But I'm going to film a little video and see if you like it. There's a car coming. I'm not just going to go throw my phone in the back of the truck with these people driving around. Now I've created a traffic jam, so that's cool. Real high quality stuff we got going on here today. So Toyota RAV4 is creeping by. All right, here we go. Here's the truck, by the way. Tips. Hopefully that turned out. Here's what the tips look like. The rest of the truck. Okay, so if you're still watching, which I doubt anybody will be, I've got the pedal commander. People have been asking about that. Sorry if my shit's dusty. Yeah, if you have any questions, just ask. If you don't like the video, I will refund you whatever it cost me to make it, which isn't a goddamn thing. So enjoy it. Don't. Yeah. Have a good Friday.